first of all, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, because that's half the fun, is opening it up and seeing what we have inside. Now, does that look anything like our piece here? No, it doesn't. But that's one of the beauties of doing a one block wonder. And I'm going to do some demystifying on that while we're here today with each other. So here you can see it's going to be a floral. If I move it here, you can see it's going to be more of the border. Now I'm going to start with my needle down, and I'm just going to be able to sew two of the triangles together, just like this. And then I'm going to take the fabric. Now this is where I have the 6 layers, where they're all identical. See, they're all identical, just like this, because they're going to be making this pinwheel that is going to be one of the flowers. Now I'm going to slide in here, and I'm going to sew the next. And I'm going to cut my threads. Now I've already checked on this design, and I am going to use the variated string of pearls design in the 6-inch size. So I've touched that and I've brought it up on the screen.